Today I'm going to share with you how to make tallow lipstick from scratch using just 4 super simple and clean ingredients. We have been having so much fun formulating these recipes, and I am so excited to share the exact process with you here today. We will also be dropping a very limited number onto our Etsy store, so make sure that you're signed up for our newsletter because that's where I'll be announcing it. You can find all of the links to sign up in the description below. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate each and every one of you. For this recipe, you're going to need 22 grams of a neutral oil. I am using plantain infused olive oil because it's what I happen to have on hand, but you could also use coconut, jojoba, or castor oil. Any one of those would be a great choice. You're also going to need 22 grams of pure melted tallow, of course, the superstar in this recipe. You're also going to need 3 grams of beeswax, which gives the lipstick structure. And finally, 1 teaspoon of cosmetic grade mica. The process to make these is so incredibly simple. You basically just add everything to a double boiler and melt it gently over low heat, stirring until everything is fully combined and smooth. Once melted, carefully pour the mixture into the molds of your choice. And you have 2 great options here. Lipstick molds give that gorgeous, professional, classic lipstick shape. They are a little bit more expensive though, and a little bit slower to work with. The lip balm tubes are far more cost effective. You can make a larger quantity at one time, and you can also adjust the formula so that it's a bit softer by adding less beeswax. For the lipstick tubes in the lipstick applicator, you really need to add quite a bit of beeswax to make sure that they're structurally sound to get them out of the mold and into the lipstick applicator. Whereas for these tinted lip balms, you can add less beeswax and they're softer, and in my opinion, they feel better on the lips. These make incredible gifts. If you're making them just for yourself, you can store the extras in the freezer and they will last years in there. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know if you make these. I'd love to know how it goes in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.